Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anca and I do art and illustration related videos. So if you're into that, make sure you subscribe and check out the other videos on my channel. So today is another studio vlog. It's packing weekend for patrons and I have to wrap up everything Patreon related. And I thought I would film it before I start posting videos about tattoos. The reason I haven't posted in 2 weeks is because one of the weeks I was away, I had a small vacation. We rented a cabin with a pool and it was really nice. And then I kind of took a break from filming. I kind of felt exhausted and not in the mood to film that much. This will be probably one of the last studio vlogs in this format that you will be seeing. I will share with you the Patreon rewards for this month, a small shop update, which you can see currently in my shop, and I will show you how I make the desktop wallpaper for patrons for the month of August. This month for patrons, I decided to do some zipper pouches. I printed them out in my own studio. They are with thermal paper and the design you've probably seen in one of my videos. They are really cute and perfect for makeup or pencils or whatever you want. They will also be available in my shop update. So if you want to purchase them and you're not a patron, they will be available in a limited number. So besides that, I made some holiday postcards since it is the season of the holiday. These are the postcards. They are mini original illustrations. They are a set of two, so one is like Cinque Terre and one is Maui, and the back is like this. And yeah, I think they're really cute. I printed them out on some super glossy paper and I think it's really cool. They will also be receiving this small sticker, also printed in my studio. It's an illustration I did also as mini original, and it is the monthly wallpaper for July. So these two will be also going in my shop, so if you want to purchase them, then I will leave a link to my shop as well. So besides that, I will also be adding these notebooks to my shop. Again, they are in limited quantities. They are block notes and they look like this on the inside. And yeah, they have 50 pages, I think, and they're really good for writing down ideas or whatever you may need. Besides this, there will also be a small sticker set with 2 transparent stickers. You might have seen them, the chinchilla one and the cat one. And that's pretty much my small shop update. If you're interested, I would love for you to check out my shop or my Patreon. I will leave everything in the description box. As I said, this probably will be one of the last videos I film in this format. On Monday, all my tattoo supplies will be arriving finally and I can start practicing. It will take me quite a while until I get used to this whole skill, but I wanted to show you guys the fake skin that I ordered. So the fake skin looks like this. There are, I think, 5 sheets. They're from Real Skin. I haven't opened them yet. I know you need to wash them before, leave them to dry, then apply the stencil, and then you have to wait like 24 hours for the stencil to dry, which is a bit of a bummer. So that doesn't happen on skin. It usually dries within 20 minutes, but it will be interesting to see how I work on these with the machine gun, and I'm really excited and also scared. But from now on, the videos will be focused on this part. Probably I will still keep up my Patreon as well as my shop, but I do want to focus more on this and see if I can hopefully in a year work as a proper tattoo artist. That's my goal for now, and wish me luck. That's pretty much what I wanted to say. I'm sorry for being absent for 2 weeks. I just needed some time off. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video. You will see me pack up Patreon rewards and draw the monthly wallpaper and edit it and make the wallpapers in Procreate and Photoshop. So if you're interested to see that, then please continue watching. Thank you so much for your support, especially to patrons, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.